Hello everyone, I am Nikhil, the Managing Director of Madhus Garage Equipment. The year 2025 was an amazingly successful year for Madhus and Hunter Engineering Company. The year started very well. Hunter flew both my father, Mr. Ravi, and me to Florida, USA for the Hunter President's Club Award celebrations. We were the only international distributor to earn this award for 2024, and this kind of a celebration and the recognition that we received on a global platform just highlighted the strength and longevity of the Hunter and Madhus partnership. We have consistently proven to the market and of course to Hunter Engineering Company that we are their best distributor in India by far and easily one of the very best globally. Last year, we were again honored at Hunter's distributor conference where my colleague Tejinder Singh and I were the recipient of Hunter's 25-year commemoration award. This is not a small achievement and we were very proud to be recognized by Hunter again on an international stage. Alongside these global recognitions, we have launched two exciting new products for the Indian market last year. The passenger car wheel aligner, the Hunter Hawkeye HS223, is a world-class two-camera wheel alignment system with special quick grip wheel adapters to speed up the alignment process. We have successfully installed dozens of these machines all across India in tire shops, dealerships, and everywhere else. Similarly, the new 3D truck aligner from Hunter, the Hawkeye XL, has been received very well. It's been more than a year or year and a half in some installations, and the number of breakdowns and the overall reliability is exceptionally good. We are having the bare minimum of breakdowns because of course there are no electronics at the wheel. We have been chosen by many premium OEMs, like your Mercedes, Jaguar, Land Rover, BMW and so many others to supply equipment to their new workshops and of course in some cases upgrading their old workshops. Along with these installations, last year was an action-packed year for us. We had many visitors from Hunter globally. First, of course, we welcomed Mr. Adam Cadeo. He is still the regional manager for Hunter in Australia, but temporarily he was handling India and he visited India to understand how the Indian market is and I would really say to understand why Madhus is so successful. He spent more than 2 weeks with Madhus traveling with us from starting from Bangalore to Pune to Delhi. He hosted customer events at our training centers. He went into the market. He met tire shop owners. He met dealership owners. He met OEMs. And at the end of it, he gave a glowing recommendation to Madhus and realized that Madhus is one of the very best partners for Hunter globally. Soon after his visit, we had a visit by Mr. Kevin Dillon, who is the international training manager for Hunter, and he came to India exclusively for Madhus. He spent 2 weeks training 68 of our engineers in Bangalore, Pune, and Delhi. Next month, we had Mr. Tom Gant, the newly appointed regional manager for India, and he visited us, understood how we work, and in just 2 days, he was very confident that the Hunter future in India is very bright with Madhus. In 2024, we dominated Hunter sales in India. Maybe 90% of the total Hunter sales was done by Madhus. In 2025, we continued the same thing. Probably we increased our market share a little bit. With this kind of a history and performance, we are very confident that the future of Hunter in India belongs to us. Of course, India is a big market. There are always mischief makers who like to spread misinformation, and of course, they love tempting customers with very good prices and deep discounts. All I would like to say is running a Hunter distributor business is not an easy business. It's actually a very expensive business to be in. And if someone is giving you a ridiculously low price, I would say you need to ask a question, why is it so low? I know the answer, but it would be good if you were to get the answers from the people who are spreading this information. There is more to the industry than what meets the eye. All I would like to say is, for the long term, if you want service and spare part support for the life of the equipment, stick to Madhus. You can always gamble with money, but I think there are more fun ways of gambling, like going to a casino in Las Vegas. Don't gamble when you are buying a Hunter Engineering Company aligner, balancer or tire changer. Please trust Madhus to take care of your machine for the long run. Do not get tempted by small short-term discounts. This is my humble request to all of you, and as the days go by, you will realize that Madhus is the only genuine partner for Hunter in India. Thank you.